Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EGLT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance easier to see, along with answering a very logical question after today's action. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very solid move. I don't think anybody can sit back and say that today didn't make a good move. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction and you know, the price movement doesn't have any really true momentum behind it? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this level down here at $7.25. Why is $7.25 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. Price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $7.25. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do. They make progress in the upwards direction as time goes by. Now, ideally speaking, what would make the chart look the strongest? If the price can stay up above that pink line there, which is the 200 period simple moving average, that would be the ideal situation, but I'm not saying that if the price does break below that pink line, that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because you still do have 725. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above that 200 period, that would be the best case. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds at? First key battleground, going to call right here. Yeah, the price broke up above it a few times, but could never really maintain above it, so that's about $8.15. Next key level after 8.15. Going to call up there at $8.50. So 8.15, 8.50, next two key levels of resistance. No doubt about it, though. Very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.